Tired of dull skin, pigmentation, dark spots, acne? Keep watching for face masks for everything. Try this simple DIY mask. Combine yogurt and orange peel powder for a refreshing treat. Apply, relax for 15 minutes and rinse off for a glowing complexion. Or you can even try the Mamaearth Vitamin C mask to revive dull skin. Packed with vitamin C and glycerin, it brightens and nourishes, leaving you with a radiant complexion. Combat skin pigmentation naturally. Mix besan, turmeric and milk to create a DIY mask. Apply weekly for a brighter, even-toned complexion. You can even eliminate face pigmentation with the Good Vibes Ubtan Instaglow face mask, allowing you to naturally achieve a radiant and even-toned complexion. For a natural remedy to fade dark spots, mix half a cup of mashed papaya with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mixture to the affected areas and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Papaya's enzymes and honey's moisturizing properties work together to lighten dark spots. Try the Aqualogica Glow Mask and experience its transformative effects. Fades dark spots and unveils radiant skin. You can create your own DIY mask with 1 tablespoon neem powder, 1 tablespoon multani mitti and yogurt. Say goodbye to acne with this mix. Achieve acne-free skin with Plum's green tea face mask, which banishes breakouts and reveals a healthy complexion. We hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to check out our other videos for similar tips and suggestions. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.